My girlfriend lost interest in me. She became cold and distant. What should I do? So you find yourself asking, does she still love me? What happened to our beautiful relationship? I want to help you get rid of these doubts and offer a solution that will save you from wasting time, nerves, and improve your self-esteem. To do this, we will analyze the top 6 female phrases that mark the beginning of an end of a relationship. A woman says these words when she no longer respects you and in fact ready to leave you, perhaps for somebody else. But the main thing, the girl is sure that you have no idea about her plans and treats you like an idiot. Let's analyze phrases that I'm sure you heard or will hear in the future. Okay, do as you please. You had a little argument, and instead of smoothing everything over and making peace, the girl says, "Yeah, do what you want." So, she refuses to negotiate. Accordingly, she is not afraid to create tension and confusion between you. This phrase is a manifestation of passive aggression. A woman says this only when she is no longer interested in a relationship and tries to create a way out. You are not my husband. Only he will tell me what to do. For example, you're at the start of a relationship and a girl is going to a club without you. You tell her that you're against it. In response, you hear, "Only my husband can tell me what to do." Most adult boys just let it slide. It may seem to them that this is just a very serious woman, that you only need to earn the status of a husband and everything will be different. That's a lie 100% of the time. Sometimes I may say 95% because there are exceptions, but not here. There are no exceptions here. The woman that says such things will never be controlled by any man, neither a boyfriend nor a husband, no one. If after this phrase you propose to her, she will refuse, or more often, she will laugh in your face. Such women as a rule don't listen to nobody, even their parents. For such a person there are no authority. She does what she wants at the moment, and nothing more. Therefore, even marrying her is a momentary farce. I'll think about it. A different thing is when a man proposes to a girl, and she replies, "I'll think about it." I sincerely don't understand how such an answer can be considered normal and acceptable in a relationship. You've just now made a decision to create a family with her, so that she will be the mother of your future children. And she's all in her head thinking, "Well, I don't know. Is the game worth the candle? I'll think about it." Do you really need a woman who will stall and doubt at such a crucial moment? Here's my opinion. A man should notify a girl that they will get married if he's made such a decision, but don't ask. And if a girl expresses some doubts, then you can say goodbye to such a person. If there's something wrong, I'm not holding you. Sometimes a woman says something like, "If you don't like it, the door is that way. I'm not stopping you." Or find another one who will do all this for you. Or don't even try and don't ask. "This won't work with me." Such words mean only one thing. The girl is 100% sure that you are controlled by her and will not go anywhere. For you, this is a very important signal. Since she allows herself to say such things, it means that you systematically failed all your personal boundaries. You convinced a woman that you are not worth of basic respect. And if you, to spite her, find yourself someone else, she will not believe it. Looking for a replacement in such a hurry, of course, I do not recommend. Perhaps the girl will get angry and call you a cheater, but she'll be sure that you'll come back. After all, most men do. They get used to be dominated, and it's hard to forget your ex. The reason for this is simple. Such behavior from a woman can only be seen in a situation of complete failure of the balance of significance. If a woman says, "If you don't like it, look for someone else," then she's in complete control of the relationship. She's just bored with you, and she's trying to somehow entertain herself. But my ex, but my friend's boyfriend. Being compared with other men where you're on the losing end is terrible. This is always a reason to think hard about the viability of your relationship. I personally do not believe that there will be a good ending. Only a shameless, envious, greedy, and always not happy woman can behave like this. You will never be who she wants. She will always devalue everything in her life, and none of your achievements and no love and care for such a girl will make her happy. I'm thinking about breaking up. I have doubts in our relationship. This is a preview of a breakup. A woman implies a desire to leave you or can directly say, "That's it. It's time for us to go our separate ways." These words can look innocent, like going through a tough phase. You can say to yourself that you just need to hold on, and it will pass and everything will return back to normal. In fact, this is a direct signal that soon everything will happen for real. The girl gives out such phrases to try your personal boundaries and the limits of what is permitted. This cannot be taken lightly. These are the words after which the consequences should come. I can only say that constant arguing are not consequences. This way, you show the woman only your absolute dependence on her and the inability to make a real decision. Break up. How to understand the words of a woman. If you don't want this to happen to you, I recommend you to learn about building communication with your girl the right way. This starts with knowing yourself and understanding what you want from a girl and from a relationship in general. Show your personal boundaries from the beginning and don't let her step over them. If she shows disrespect to you in any way, that's good enough reason to dump her. Don't get caught up in your emotions. Be the first one to act. Be direct and don't hesitate. Call her out on bad behavior. Look for signals that I've told you about in the video. Focus on your personal goals, and if she interferes with them, you're not meant to be together. After all, the correct boundaries are the basis of a healthy relationship. Show her that you're the man, and you will not be dominated in any way, shape, or form. Don't be passive. If you follow those rules, you will go on a path of building a strong and healthy long-term relationship. But don't get lazy. That's the most important rule. You might think you're in control and might let the girl do her thing for a while. But over time, the same problems will surface. A relationship is a constant battle, and the one who makes mistakes gets knocked out and loses, meaning painful breakup, obsession, and depression. Don't be one of the crybabies who can't get over their ex and throws his life away for her. After all, this is not a life you imagined as a kid. You wanted to rule the world, or at least be someone respected, someone who brings good to the society. This world is filled with weak-minded, depressed individuals. Don't be one of them. Be dominant, independent, and driven. Did you enjoy this video? Did you find this information helpful? Are you interested to learn more about this? Do you want to continue your journey of self-improvement with us? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell as well, so you don't miss the next video. We have a lot more videos coming, so it would be great to receive some support if you found this content useful. Comment below if you have any questions regarding the topic. We're happy to answer. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.